The drone world is on fire again, and this time, DJI might be about to change everything we thought we knew about FPV flying. The upcoming DJI Avata 3 isn't just another upgrade. It could be the biggest leap forward in drone innovation we've seen in years. From jaw-dropping design rumors to next-level camera tech, insane flight performance, and features that seem straight out of the future, this might be the drone that completely reshapes the FPV landscape. So buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep into everything we know so far about the DJI Avata 3, the drone that might just change the game forever. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The drone world is buzzing again, and this time it's louder than ever because DJI seems to be preparing to rewrite the rules once more with the upcoming DJI Avata 3. If you thought the Avata 2 was revolutionary with its compact design, smoother FPV control, and cinematic flight experience, then what's coming next might just change the very foundation of how we think about FPV drones. The Avata series has always stood out as DJI's attempt to bridge the gap between professional drone cinematography and the thrilling, immersive world of first-person flight. And now, the Avata 3 appears poised to merge the best of both worlds in a way we've never seen before. Imagine a drone that not only gives you the rush of high-speed FPV flying but also delivers the cinematic stability, long flight time, and intelligent automation that DJI's camera drones are famous for. That's exactly what DJI seems to be crafting with the Avata 3, a machine that could redefine aerial storytelling and make FPV flying accessible, safer, and more creative than ever. The design rumors alone are fascinating. According to leaks and early concept renders circulating online, the Avata 3 might feature a completely re-engineered body, lighter, more aerodynamic, and possibly modular. DJI has always focused on making its drones portable, and if Avata 3 follows that path, we might be looking at an even slimmer form factor that's easier to carry while still housing more advanced hardware. There's also talk of a new propeller guard design, which could make it even more durable during high-speed collisions or tight indoor flights. Combine that with better cooling systems and more efficient motors, and the Avata 3 might be the most balanced FPV drone DJI has ever built. The biggest question, however, revolves around the camera system. DJI is known for its exceptional imaging technology, and the Avata 3 will likely push that further. The current Avata 2 already has an impressive camera with a large sensor and superb dynamic range, but the next generation could introduce a 1-inch sensor, allowing for professional-grade 4K or even 5K footage at higher frame rates. We might see improved low-light performance, HDR capabilities, and real-time color correction options straight out of the drone. If DJI integrates their latest O4 transmission system, the clarity, responsiveness, and range could be unmatched in the FPV category. It's possible we'll see latency improvements down to milliseconds, making it feel almost like you're truly inside the drone while flying. Pair that with DJI's incredible gimbal stabilization and Rocksteady 3.0 or possibly 4.0 technology, and you're looking at footage smoother than ever before, even during aggressive flight maneuvers. When it comes to flight performance, the Avata 3 might just be a beast. Speculation points to new, more efficient motors, capable of faster acceleration and better battery management. One of the biggest complaints about FPV drones is flight time.